The Department of Finance and Management Information Sciences at the University of Minnesota Duluth offers two majors. One, the finance major, and two, the management information systems major. I'm going to talk about the finance major. The finance industry is very broad in nature, and there are a lot of career paths that a finance major could possibly take. So oftentimes we segment finance jobs into several categories, one being corporate finance, which a person who is in corporate finance would be responsible for managing projects of a company and trying to ensure profitability and growth of the company. A second area of finance would be what we call financial services, which includes what has traditionally been called banking. This is more expansive than that. It does involve banking, but also insurance and other personal financial services as well as commercial financial services. A third area of finance is investments. Investments entails financial analysis of securities, deciding whether or not they are properly valued, and making portfolio decisions as to whether or not to invest or not to invest in a given security. In addition, there are several other specialized areas of finance which would include international finance, dealing with foreign exchange rates, etc., as well as derivatives. And derivatives are items which derive their value from other financial assets. We are fortunate at the University of Minnesota Duluth to have a very qualified, very knowledgeable, and diverse team of instructors who are able to provide students with the theoretical background as well as the application of that theory in practice to promote the successful careers in finance. We typically have usually in the neighborhood of around 200 plus finance majors at any given time. And typically, I would say about 95% of those achieve placement in a finance-related career immediately following graduation, if not relatively soon after graduation. We are fortunate at UMD to have a couple of programs which help students to apply the financial knowledge that they gain in the classroom in a practical setting. The Financial Markets Program is a program where students do financial analysis on investments and then make investment decisions as they manage a portfolio of actual money. The second is the CFP, or Certified Financial Planning Program, where we train students to prepare for the CFP exam, and upon completion of that exam, students are able to become certified financial planners. And in the process of that program, students get a lot of hands-on experience with working personal relationships and helping people with their own individual, unique finance situations.